Do you guys like monster trucks?
Yeah.
Do you want to have a monster truck race?
Yeah.
Alright, pick your monster truck. Anna, pick yours. So here's the deal. We're going to go down the slide, down the sewer pipe, downstairs, over the jump, around town, and then we'll be finished. Sound good? Say yay!
Yay! Yay!
Go!
Bye.
Go! Yay! Go down slide, baby. Let's go, slide! Whee! Then. Go! Oh, crashed him! There you go. On your mark, get set, go! Go! Go!
I'll get the milk from the clouds.
Go!
All of the guys are happy.
Go! Good job, Mr. Man. Good job, Titus. Smile. Which one's the fastest choo-choo train monster truck? Which is the fastest blue one? This one? Which is the fastest white one? Hooray! Which is the fastest boy? They're both fast boys! And cut. And cut. And cut. But one question remains. What happened to Anastasia? There she is! Oh no, she broke down! But she has a tow truck.